Are you a Jamaican driver planning to visit another country and wish to drive there? Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for an international driver's license in Jamaica so that you can immediately start driving a vehicle when you visit another country that recognizes the international driving permit. To obtain an international driver's license, here are the requirements. Must be at least age 18, has a valid Jamaican driver's license, is a Jamaican citizen, one recent passport size photograph. The application process. Download the application form for international driving permit from the website jamaicatax.gov.jm or click on the link in the description below this YouTube video to directly download the form. Correctly fill out the application form. The application form will require you to state the tax office location you will submit the form, name of the country you will visit, your name, date of birth, place of birth, permanent place of residence in Jamaica, Jamaican driver's license number and expiry date, and finally, your signature. Visit the nearest tax office with the completed application form, your Jamaican driver's license, and your recent passport size photograph. An official at the tax office will check your documents. If everything is satisfactory, the application will be processed. You will then receive your international driving permit, also called international driver's license. It is valid for 1 year or until your local driver's license expires, whichever comes first. There is no application fee, and you will receive your international driver's license the same day you apply. Please note that while driving outside Jamaica, you must carry both the international driver's license and the Jamaican driver's license with you.